Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, and welcome again to another trade. We're looking at COLL. Watching this stock for a short sell here. Turned it up nicely this morning. Some bullish actions, but I'm waiting for this thing because it popped out of the upper trend line. I'm waiting for it to get that out of the system, if you want to call it that, and then drop. Volume falling off here. I'm just waiting for the turnaround. So this stock is at 23.78. It's a little high. It's just that that's the best one I could find. And even though the price point is a little high, it still doesn't really matter. You can still get in there. Let's see how many shares we can buy. 23.78. Let's see. We get 2 to 1 or 3 to 1 or 4 to 1. We can buy 330 shares. Let's just go in 330 shares. We can still get something from this, even though it's a high. But we're waiting for it to do that pop and then drop. And we are looking to get out somewhere around here. But to be on the safe side, because our support resistance is right here, we might just, to be on the safe side and to be green, come out somewhere around here. Volume has fallen off. It's really slow. VWAP is horizontal, basically. But I don't know if you see this pattern. Remember this pattern? Very good pattern there. All right, so I'm seeing it's coming down. I want it to break this trend line and VWAP. All right, looks like it did. Let's just get it because we're going to go all the way down. There are times when it's important to get a better price fill, and as usual, this thing is just not populating. I'm sure I did it. Oh, there we go. All right. So we're looking to get out around 22.98 or 22.72, somewhere around there. And because we have the daily and the minute fib line meeting right here, basically, we might just want to take something there. But we'll see how fast it moves. You know me and my patience. It's now 10:18. It might try to just stick around 22.98. And the more money you have, you can take more chances. But for beginner traders, I'll just say take what you can get when you're sure of you're out. It's best to go with that. And if you have the option where you can trade more than once or trade more than the PDT rule, then by all means go ahead after you've made sure. But 22.98 should give us a good profit. We're on average price of 23.43, 330 shares. So we still should be good. Let's just go ahead and place that order. I'm gonna buy it back. It's sticking right here. Yeah, we have a better one down here. Let's just hang on and see. I would rather take it on fib 38.2. You know I like 38.2. And it may just go down there because it's also a support resistance right there. Small pullback there. But this thing should be coming down. Why? Because of all these bearish action right here. The pullback's not very convincing. So we're just going to hold it. And like I said, just to be green on the day and we're not going to take a lot of risk. We're just going to come out, and today's Friday as well, so we're just going to get out on the major support resistance. And VWAP was trending on this line for quite a while, so we're just going to hold it to there. Okay, here we go. It got that out of its system. At 2307, still waiting on 2298, and there we go. Oh man, right to, I told you the 38.2 was a good one. Okay, we should be out. Okay, all right, there we go. All right, I told you 32.8. That's one of my favorites right here. Hasn't reached it yet though, but and that's why, like I said, guys, it's best to just take it where you have more than one. So we had two right here, and we had one right here. So I wanted to come out where we had the support resistance line and the VWAP hitting, and because of this pattern, it's a drop, and it usually pops and drop, but this one you can get a pop back. So I wanted to just take it at the most safest spot. And so 32.8 is 22.72. Let's see if it's gonna get there. 22.72. Did it actually? No. It went to 22. It went to 22.82. 20, no. 22.80. So it didn't reach it, but I think it will though. Let's just see. Regardless, it's 10:27 under, well, just about an hour of trading. $168, one stock, only with 330 shares. Now that thing is bouncing back up, back to our point. 22.97, 22.98. That's where we came out, right? So yeah, that's why I like to take it where it's more positive. All right, so I'm gonna call this one. I'm trying not to make our videos very long, so I'm gonna call this one done. We came, we saw, we conquered. 300 shares, short sell. Came out where we said we wanted to come out, so support resistance, VWAP, and we're done. 168.30. All right, guys, I hope you have a good rest of the day and a wonderful weekend. I hope you learned something from this. I mean, it's the same thing I'm showing you every day, but we're just showing you in different scenarios. All right, so if you got something from this, if you like this video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment if you need to. And I will catch you on Monday. All the best, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm just back for a sec. Remember I was telling you that sometimes this thing drops and pops? There's a pop. Right back up. It actually did not reach my 38.2. And I was just wondering why, but anyway, that's why, like I said before, it's best to get out when you know you should. So that, it favored my support line here. As you see, it hit it multiple times, and then it just shot right through and went back up. So if you were still in it going short and was holding it, you would have been crying right now. So like I said, yeah, just best to get out at the first out, and then just let, go back in if you can, or just let it go. All right, again, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on Monday, guys. Goodbye.